All right, now we've got another one. We're going to be taking a peek at 1 plus cosine x equals sine x between 0 and 2 pi. However, we don't have any identities we can use, but if we just squared both sides, we can have some identities appear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and square both sides. So I get 1 plus 2 cosine x plus cosine squared x is equivalent to sine squared x. The reason why I did this is because now I can look at sine squared x and substitute a Pythagorean identity that includes cosine so that I'm only working with cosines. 1 minus cosine squared is equivalent to sine squared x. So that's why I substituted it in. And then I'm going to go ahead, write out that left-hand side. And then move everything over so that I can factor and solve. So I now have 2 cosine squared x plus 2 cosine x equals 0. The 1 and 1 cancel out. I can factor out a 2 cosine x, and that leaves me with a, not an x, but a cosine x plus 1. Now I can set both of these equal to 0. So 2 cosine x equals 0, and cosine x plus 1 equals 0. That leaves me with cosine x equals 0, and cosine x equals -1. Now locating them on the unit circle within a 1 rotation, I see that I get pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2 for cosine x equals 0. And then for cosine x equals -1, I have pi. So those are your 3 answers on that 1 rotation. No need to add anything else.